Hello everyone, welcome to the Automation Mentor. In this video, we're diving into ClickFunnels to understand the foundational strategies for successful online campaigns. This is your essential guide to choosing the right funnel for your specific business goals. Ever wonder how some businesses consistently turn casual visitors into loyal customers? It's not magic, it's strategy. And at the heart of that strategy lies something called a funnel. Think of a funnel as a guided path. It's a series of carefully designed steps that lead your potential customers from their initial awareness of you, all the way to taking a specific action like buying your product, signing up for your service, or becoming a loyal follower. It's about creating a clear, intentional journey. But what kind of journey do you want your customers to take? What are your business goals? Are you looking to generate a flood of new leads? Perhaps you need to sell a specific product or service quickly. Maybe you're launching something entirely new or even planning to host a powerful online event. Whatever your objective, there's a funnel built to help you achieve it. This is where a tool like ClickFunnels becomes incredibly powerful. It provides the frameworks, the blueprints for different types of funnels, each optimized for a distinct business goal. Let's look at a few common ones. First, we have the lead magnet funnel. Its primary purpose is to capture email addresses by offering something valuable for free, like an ebook, a template, or a mini course. The typical journey here involves an opt-in page where visitors provide their email in exchange for your gift, followed by a thank you page that delivers it and perhaps introduces what's next. Then there's the sales funnel, perfect for selling a product or service. This could be for a product launch, a tripwire offer, or a video sales letter. Here, your customer might land on a compelling sales page, proceed to a secure order form, potentially see a one-time offer or upsell to maximize value, and finally land on an order confirmation page. For those aiming to educate and engage, the webinar funnel is ideal. It's designed to promote and host a live or evergreen webinar, which can be fantastic for generating leads or making sales. The steps often include a registration page, a confirmation page, the virtual broadcast room itself, and perhaps a replay page for those who missed the live event. So how do you choose the right one? It's all about aligning the funnel type with your specific business goal. If your goal is to build an email list of potential customers interested in a topic, a lead magnet funnel offering a free guide is your perfect starting point. For launching a new online course and generating immediate sales, a well-structured sales funnel with a powerful video sales letter could be exactly what you need. If you're a coach wanting to provide immense value and then invite people to a premium program, a webinar funnel allows you to deliver that value live and then transition smoothly to an offer. Choosing the right funnel is more than just picking a template. It's the crucial first step to designing an effective online campaign. It's about knowing your objective and then building the most efficient path to get your customers there. We'll show you how to align your ClickFunnels efforts with your real business objectives, turning your vision into tangible results. And that wraps up our exploration of matching your business goals with the right ClickFunnels. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of how these powerful funnel types can drive your success. The real magic happens when you align your objectives with the perfect strategic path. If you're ready to start building these goal-driven funnels for yourself, we've included a link to a special trial of ClickFunnels right in the description below this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next tutorials, where we'll dive deeper into creating these funnels step by step. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.